Hi everyone, this is CS Shilpi Periwal, and today we are gonna have Pooja Khemka on board. She's a fashionista by herself. And hello everyone, hi Ritika, how are you doing? Hi Kruti, hi Chetna. So we'll wait some time for more people to join before we invite Mrs. Pooja Khemka in. So by the time, tell me hi Ram, how are you all doing? By that time, tell me in the comment box one good thing that has happened to you today. One good thing that has happened to you today. Anything special you want to share? Hi Ritika. Hi. So we have Pooja ma'am coming in. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get Pooja ma'am in.
Hi guys.
Jadi, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good. All of you excited to have her here?
Absolutely. It's good fun to be
We'll just
live
wait
at
for some more people to
yeah.
join.
Yeah. So Shilpi, tell me, how are you?
All good, all good. So, how has the day been?
Excited. We've just come to meet a few friends and I'm left them for a while to
Okay.
come here.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. So, I'll be introducing Pooja Khemka to you all. Pooja Khemka is the proprietor of Golden Window. She has an astute understanding of international trade and financial market. Worry not, she's a stylist for the day today. So, apart from all that, she is a passionate entrepreneur. She has been a part of Flow and various local organizations from the past 11 years. And apart from all of this, she loves reading, traveling, as well as being an entrepreneur, right? You just love
Definitely.
dancing too. Yes, that's one of her passions too. She loves dancing too. And
Absolutely.
she's a trained, certified holistic pranic healer. And she believes in accepting people the way they are. That's a huge thing, Miss Pooja. I mean, it's huge. Hi, Meghna.
We
Hi,
appreciate that.
Ritika. Hello,
Hi,
everyone.
Meghna.
So, how do you manage all of this? It's like she's an entrepreneur. Like, she has her own jewelry brand, her own label, and that's your bespoke jewels. Apart from this, she also launched her own clothing line, which is Pooja Khemka. How do you manage all this, Miss Pooja?
Just just trying to bring a balance about it. It's been a learning experience for me also.
Okay.
Everything started so fast and things moved so fast. So I'm just trying to bring a balance, and I think that's what pranic healing helped me with to learn how to bring balance in life. So it was easy to make a balance between relationship, work, home, and everything. So that is it.
Cool. So tell us a little more about yourself. I just told whatever I knew. I would like to hear it from you.
So I am from Coimbatore and I've studied there. In fact, I was doing my CA. And I remember when I was about to write my final exams, I walked up to Papa and said, um, Papa, I'm so bored studying for 24 years now. I don't want to write more exams, you know. So he was like, do whatever your heart desires. And that's how it started. And I had
Mhm.
eventually joined my husband's work, and
Okay.
apparently we were into stock market and financial trade, which is related to CA and my profession, and that was taking a lot of stress in my body. So
Mm-hmm.
I started working on designing jewelry and curating jewelry from various designers across India. and it worked very well with all of them. So
Okay.
that's how it started. Golden Window started. That's why, and
Mm-hmm.
now we are a national brand. We're shipping internationally. We're shipping to a lot of
True.
multi-designer stores in India, and apart from that,
Mhm.
we've received a lot of love from everyone.
Right. So, how has this journey of an entrepreneur been like for you?
Hi, Vandana. I have a couple of my friends also joining in from Guwahati, so that is so nice. And okay, so as an entrepreneur, um, initially just trying to learn to bring a balance between work and home was a challenge. And then once see what happens whenever you start some work, you tend to be more passionate about the work, and you tend to miss out on your house and all that. And then I remember my husband telling me once that it's very simple, Pooja. You just need to bring balance between the two. You don't have to be like it's not like you don't have to work, or it's not like you don't have to be at home. Just try to sort out your time,
Mm-hmm.
and that
It's important.
really worked. That really worked.
Yeah.
And that is it. That was the only challenge I faced. And once I was able to bring about the balance, I think everything worked out fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So,
We were
see,
little.
I have a lot of students also who are like budding entrepreneurs, or basically not just students, like, it could be anyone who could be a budding entrepreneur. So, what advice would you have for them? I mean, it's definitely not an easy journey. Uh,
So for a lot of people who want to start working, and one thing is you need to have a lot of passion for your work. So if you're very passionate and something that you totally believe in, see the thing, it has to come from your heart, and something which comes from your heart and you totally believe in, you're giving your 100%. So then there is no stopping you. But then if there's something that you just do it out of copying someone, saying कि अरे वो कर रहे तो जरूर business में अच्छा profit होगा तो let's do it or whatever, no, that does not work. You need to really have a good plan in place. You really need to work it out as to how you want to go ahead and how you want to start it. So keep that very keep that clarity in your head as to what are your goals and how are you looking about going for it. Plan your finances well in advance. Keep what you call, you should keep some emergency funds as well. Like for
right.
COVID, all of us had been creating emergency fund, and that is why we've been able to sustain in the business. Otherwise, most of the people are shutting down right now.
True,
The
true,
only
true,
question they
true.
have is like, why do we know we need clothes? Why do we need accessories at this point of time? We're not going out anywhere, but we are here to support about a huge team of carigars who are working with us. So if an emergency fund was not created, I would not have been able to support them.
So
So
true.
you need to work out each and every aspect of your work when you're trying to do a business, because it's not just business you're doing, it's a responsibility of the people who are dependent on you, responsibility of the clients who are dependent on you. You really need to be very careful about that.
Absolutely, absolutely. And as you said, you cannot just copy paste and do what others are also doing because, as the famous saying goes, that everyone's question paper is different in life. You cannot just copy paste. It's just not possible to
Absolutely,
do that.
absolutely,
Um,
absolutely.
so,
It's just in the CA exams that you all get the same question, but life has actually different challenges for each one of us. So,
so true, so true. And
but
what
then
is it that you would
let
like
me
to say?
assure you,
Sorry?
CA also is a tough challenge. CA papers are also a tough challenge, but then I believe in enable
They are
guided,
another
like
level
how
game
Shilpi is.
itself.
But since Shilpi, you are there in Coimbatore now, I remember when I was in Coimbatore and I was preparing for my CA, I used to really juggle for a good institute, for a good teacher. Um, so glad that people have you now and you're able to
Thanks.
take care of them, and then they such beautiful marks that all your
Thanks
students have received.
much.
That's so beautiful.
We just, it's like when teaching is your passion, it just flows naturally, you don't have to really make an effort to
Exactly my
do.
sentiments. passion is something that will always take you forward. Passion is something which will always take you forward.
True. So, and you also are doing practicing naturopathy. You know, what is that one suggestion you would like to give the students to take care of their health?
So, yeah, I practice naturopathy because I'm a like from my childhood, my mom
Mhm.
was very particular that we take up things, kadhas and things like that, So it's more dependent on home remedies rather than going to the doctor all the time. So this has been a kind of a system for us. So I probably studied into it to understand, and then I had suffered from blood pressure. So that was not helping me because it was
Okay.
not controlling. So I
Mhm.
eventually learned naturopathy to actually work on all the aspects of my health, say about again bringing about the balance in life. Health is also very important.
Correct.
So that is it. Drink a lot of water,
Mm-hmm.
preferably a tad bit of warm water after every meal, like you sip small tea, like just a cup of water you can take and just keep sipping. And for concentration, probably we you can do Apan Mudra, which really works in concentration. Before
Okay.
studying, before you start to sit down and study, just do
Mm-hmm.
deep breathing a couple of times, center yourself, and then focus on studying. I think that should work very well for each of the students.
True, true, true. Nice. Hi, Vicky. We run an academy for CACS and CMA students, and today we are doing this live for the student community as a whole. It's about your health and your styling tips, and we have on board Miss Pooja Khemka who's helping to do it. So Pooja, apart from taking care of their health, of course, they need to bring in certain kind of a meditativeness also into their life, which is so important at this stage, I feel. What
Yeah.
are the, fashion tips that you would like to share with the generation of today? I mean, most of them are waiting for this question. I guess probably they
See,
would.
one
Okay.
thing is you just need to be absolutely comfortable in your own skin. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
um I'm on the plus side, but that does not mean that I'm not comfortable in my own body type. So you just need to be perfectly comfortable in your own skin. Second
Right.
thing is choose styles. There are a variety of styles that you can actually opt for these days. Choose styles which will
Mm-hmm.
suit your body type and
Mm-hmm.
make them use for your best way. Instead of trying to follow the trend, try and follow a style which suits you more better, and then you
Okay.
can work around that thing. I'm more of a solid color person, so I
Mm-hmm.
think that really works like a mantra for me. But that does
Okay.
not mean that prints would not work for people. So
Right.
solid
Right.
colors work absolutely
Mm-hmm.
fantastic for me. And
Mm-hmm.
then stick to something which is like eternal. I feel elegance and eternal, that should be very nice, instead of something which is just like following the rat race. No, I'm not the kind of a person who would do that. So anything on those lines should be a good way to go about.
Correct. So basically, they need not follow the trends blindly. Blindly, they
Follow
need
the trend.
to.
I'm not saying don't follow the trend. If it's
Okay.
a if off shoulders are in, wear off shoulders, but then try and find out what kind of style will look nice for you. Just don't try to
Okay.
fit into all kind of styles. Try and
Mm-hmm.
find out what is that one thing which will suit you.
Mm-hmm.
Try
Got it.
clothes.
Okay. And
Try
it's
styling.
not just the girls who want styling tips today, it's even the boys.
Even
And
men, I think with men, one best thing that should work for all of
I.
them is wear clothes which are perfectly ironed, they're crisp,
Mm-hmm.
they're clean. Okay? Because, see, with men, it actually speaks a lot. Once you're well dressed, and you go for an interview or for any business meet, it matters a lot how are you dressed. So a plain white shirt with even a black pant would look so crisp if it's done well, it's ironed well. I mean, like, it's just very well. It and shows up your behavior and grooming also. So,
Right.
and a lot of things for men. I mean, there are a lot of styles men can do these days. There are drapes in the
Mhm.
ethnic wear that they can try, and then, uh, I mean, there's a dearth of options for even men today. It's not
Yeah,
just that
yeah.
women have options these days. Gone are the days.
Right, right, right. And it was different in our generation. Our generation was like, whatever our mother got us, we were basically, we didn't have a choice, right? Whatever they
Absolutely,
got us,
absolutely,
we wore it.
absolutely. Whatever my mother would buy for me,
But
it was like I actually didn't shop too much then. I was such a simple person. But
mhm.
eventually, when I ventured into fashion, I'm a rebel. I buy clothes every second day. I feel now. Probably this is one thing that I actually enjoy a bit recently. Though just buying clothes for
Mhm.
myself.
Right, right, right. And these days, it's like the kids have their own fashion sense, they have their own choices. I mean, you forget about the teenagers. Even my son, I think from the time he was 3, probably, he chose his own clothes. So, to make sure that the mornings were not messy, I actually had him take out the dress he wanted to wear one night before because he was so particular about this color looks better. I want a jeans with a zip and I want a jacket kind of a t-shirt, and I used to be like completely
But
lost.
we are so blessed. Current generation is so blessed that there's so much of information available on the net. On
Yes.
Pinterest, there's everything available about styling. So if you go wrong with your styling now, then
Mm-hmm.
definitely you've not done your homework well. So one thing is very true. Second is today if you log on to a normal website called Zara, H&M or whatever, okay, the kids
Mm-hmm.
also get to see what kind of look is created over there. He knows whether he wants to wear that look or not.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very easy to relate. It's very easy to shop now. पहले तो
Right.
दिमाग लगाना पड़ता था. Now there's a whole look which is already created. You just have to adapt the look, you know.
Yes.
So it's a lot more easier. And now if you go wrong with your style sense and fashion, it is like a crime. It is definitely a crime.
Right. You don't have any excuse. I'm just thinking about myself when you're saying it's a crime because I hardly put any effort into planning my look and everything. It's thanks to you who sends me just curated boxes of all the accessories and everything, and I just need to put it up. So,
So
how
then you're
important do you
lucky you have
think
a
is
good designer
accessories?
in hand. Na? You're
Sorry?
lucky you have me in hand. You have a good designer in hand who makes sure that you're always updated.
True, true. I somehow cannot put too much of brains into the latest trends and
I
everything.
remember in between Shilpi, we had so many parties to attend, and I used to tell my husband, I need somebody who could manage my wardrobe.
I
Who could
I actually need
actually
one
take up
person like that.
कि ये पहनना है, इसके साथ ये एक्सेसरी है, ये शूज है. This is what I really wanted at one point of time. Thanks to this Corona break, that I was like, oh, wow, I don't have to look at my wardrobe for now, like next couple of days. This is like a bless.
Yeah. So, how important is accessories, you think, apart from the clothes that we are wearing?
So accessories is most important because that would actually differentiate your look from a normal person. So now
Right.
anyone can wear a like a white shirt and a blue jeans, okay? But then supposing somebody who wears a nice neck piece on it, so that is how she adds her own style element to do it. Somebody can carry a scarf inside the shirt. Somebody can carry a bag, which is what down her dress. So it totally depends as to how you carry that particular same outfit, because it's now the globalization of fashion, right? So you have certain things which is available for everyone. So
Mm-hmm.
accessories are the one which actually make a difference about your clothes. So invest into good accessories, invest into good stuff, and that should last you a longer period of time, like almost a lifetime.
Right, right, right. And accessories are not just important for a girl or a female anymore. It's does it play
It's
some
important
importance?
for everyone. Even for men, there is a lot of choices now available.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many options with belts, and then there's so many options with shoes, bags, everything. So it's like perfect for even men. Like they have choices now. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you now, we are very lucky. Like we're in this world where there are a lot of choices for everyone. So
Mm-hmm.
not being well dressed is a crime.
Okay. So apart from in the current trends, what do you think is that the hot trend for the girls to follow in accessories at least?
Good big hoops. I love hoops. I think these kind of hoops they do well with everything. Like you could even wear it with jeans, you can wear it with dresses, even you can wear it with your Indo-Western outfits. A big hoop
Mm-hmm.
is a must for girls. And then a great neck piece, bags.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Okay.
hoops, particularly in earrings, I feel a one woman should have. I have more than 80 pair of hoops.
Okay.
So
I'm sure you have a bag collection is also as extensive as probably the hoops.
I love
I've
bags,
seen it
yeah.
myself, guys, so and I know it. Okay. So, what is that? These days it's more about the comfort and less is more concept. So, what is that comfort clothing which you would suggest to the girls to wear on an everyday basis, as in,
Dresses,
latest trends to
single
follow?
piece dresses. Single piece dresses, they are so comfortable. You could take it
Correct.
mid-calf if your family is a little orthodox or something like that. You could take a mid-calf length if your family is like absolutely perfect. Sorry, one
Mm-hmm.
minute. One minute. Sorry. So
Okay.
if your family is perfectly comfortable, you can take up mid-calf lens or probably knee lens. If not, then there are of course long maxis which are available, which are
Mm-hmm.
absolutely comfortable. They're very
Okay.
chic as well. Can be
Okay.
worn at home, and you can also take a trip down for shopping and all that. So there are a lot of options for women.
Cool. So, thanks a lot for being here, Miss Pooja, and for all of you, hi. For all of you who would like to purchase some hoops or get that latest fashion look for you, you can follow her page, Golden Window, for latest updates, right?
Yeah. Hi, Kumudi. It's so nice. Hi, Bhavika. So a lot of people from Guwahati also have been here today. That's so nice. Hi, Vibhu Bhabhi.
Okay, so
Chalo,
thank you
so
so much for
let's
being
do a
here.
wrap
Thank
of
you
this.
guys for joining.
Good luck to Shilpi's Academy. I'm so proud of you.
Thank
You're
you
doing
so
such a
much.
great job
Thank you
and
so much.
lot
All the
more
best to
success.
you too.
Lot more success to all your viewers and all your students.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. See you everyone.